So if you're an individual like me who has like extra hard drives that are laying around, and you bought this little 3.5-inch hard drive rack and you want to connect to your computer like this, just like this, just connecting it directly into your computer, there's two possibilities that will happen. One, the hard drive will not rev up entirely, or the hard drive will rev up and down, 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 up and down. So yeah, it will not be detected by your computer, so there's going to be a lot of problems. And also, this could happen to 2.5-inch hard drives, where they would be detected, they would show up on your computer, they'd just be incredibly slow and unresponsive. So what you're going to do is get yourself a USB hub, something like this, a simple USB hub. You want to get a simple 5-volt power adapter with 2 ohms and above. It really doesn't matter, as long as it's a 5-volt one. You're gonna plug that thing in. So what you're gonna do is connect this USB hub to your computer like this. Then you're gonna take the cable that you have connected to the external power source like this, and you're gonna connect it to your USB 3.0 to USB hub. Then you're gonna connect your hard drive into that said USB hub, and now you're getting extra power from the or you can get a powered USB hub, something like this, off of Amazon or your local retailers. So yeah, power adapter into this and powering your hard drive, and from what you can see here, it is instantly detected and recognized by the computer almost quickly. Now it's fully functional. As you can see here, I have Doom Eternal saved up on this thing. As a test, I'm going to show you the difference between external hard drive and my internal hard drive. So this way you can see the difference and of course the better results of this. Look, this setup is, I know it is janky, but you can probably get a much more efficient and better setup if you spend more money. But unfortunately for me, this is the setup that works for me like this. And if it didn't fix it for you, maybe your hard drive is just dead or dying. Yeah, like, share, and sub, and see you later, alligator. Bye bye.